Let's look at dividends. Dividends are a distribution of a company's profits paid out to shareholders. It is paid out to all investors who own stocks in the company. The more stocks you own, the more you will be paid out in dividends. So, if a company pays out $1 per share in a year, you will receive 25 cents each quarter. If you own 10 shares, that will be $2.50 each quarter. For the year, that will be $10 paid out in dividends for 10 stocks. If your strategy is to invest for dividends, you will need to know the company's ex-dividend date and also the payment date. You will need to own the shares before this date to receive payment in the next dividend payout. Payment date. This is the date dividend payments are made to shareholders. Please note, share prices will reduce by the dividend payout amount the next day. So, if the stock price was $240, the price will go down by 25 cents the next day. This will mean the price will become $239.75.